So, what are the materials needed to build a chemically powered toy car? Well, firstly, you need a water bottle, preferably empty of course, 2 barbecue sticks, 2 straws, 4 DVDs, masking tape, and a glue gun to put it all together. And for the reaction, a 12:1 ratio of vinegar to baking soda. Procedures. I started by cutting the straw and the barbecue stick into 2 equal halves. Then, I covered up the holes on the DVDs with masking tape so that it would be easier to place the sticks. I opened up the hole a bit more. Then, with the help of the hot glue gun, placed the first half of the DVDs and also the straws. I let them cool down for a bit, then assembled it all by placing the second half of the wheels. And we're done. Experimentation. Trial 1. The first trial went, okay, I guess. Trial 2. The second trial was a bit better, but still not crossing the 100cm line. And the third trial was the best one out of them all, which crossed the line and even went farther than the last two. So, how does this work? When you mix vinegar and baking soda, it creates a lot of pressure in the form of carbon dioxide. This is characterized by this formula, or baking soda added to vinegar turns into carbon dioxide plus water plus sodium ion plus acetate ion. This serves as the main propulsion for the car. And that's about it. Thank you for watching this video.